Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video. So as you are aware, I'm in New Zealand now, and today was my first full proper day helping on a farm, and I wanted to make an intro of this video in the morning. It is now 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I did not manage to get my camera out and sit down and film an intro because there was so much to do, honestly. We were like out and about all day. I got up at 6:30 in the morning, which I never get up that early. I fed the lamb in the morning, which was really cute, and then there was so much going on with the sheep today, and it was so interesting, honestly. I've never worked on a farm before. I've been like on farm holidays. I'm not gonna ramble much more. I literally just wanted to film a quick intro. I just took that camera out as much as I could. I hope you find it interesting. But yeah, I'm gonna stop now, and I hope you enjoy it, and we're gonna jump right to in the morning, 6:30, where I feed the little lammy.
Constant battle.
You just saw I fed the little baby lamb, which is really cute. Sometimes, unfortunately, the mother doesn't accept the lamb, so you have to hand feed them. So I just did that, which was really nice. I quickly wanted to show you all of the birds. I love them so much, honestly. I always wanted to have chicken, so being here with all of the chicken is a little bit of a dream come true. Here are all the chicken. Look at them, there's so many. They're everywhere, and they have so much space to run around, literally the whole farm. So I think those are probably the happiest chickens ever. And in about half an hour, we were gonna get all of the sheep up here and clean them up, because a lot of the lambs are gonna go for sale and you kind of clean them up beforehand. Anyway, I'm gonna go have some coffee and breakfast now because I'm hungry. So those are all the sheep, and you just can't see it, but there's like a dog up there bringing all the sheep down now. You'll see it in a second. That is so cool. See, the two dogs got all the sheep down.
So you've got two dogs. You've got the black and white one, which is the heading dog, and then you've got the black one, which is basically the hunt away, the one that makes the noise. So the heading dog is trained to go and sort of scoop them up and get them moving. And the hunt away is sort of will run up, and then with a slight whistle from the owner will start barking if they need any more of a drive. And that's how you get them in.
And what are you doing with the sheep now? Kind of like cutting off the dirty bits to make them all look all nice and pretty?
We're getting the sheep in now, and then we put them through a race where we sort the ones that we maybe want to send to the sale, the ones that we don't, and then we go around and sort of give them a haircut on their backside so they don't have any dirty bits over the summer and they don't get infected. Ready? Yeah.
So these are all the lambs separated now, and they're gonna be nicely cleaned up and then salted as well.
Yeah, some of them will be sent for the sale.
Look at them.
So we'll go through these again and separate the ones we want to sell and the ones we want to keep.
So it's feeding time, it's dinner time for what? The chicken, the pigs, which other animals?
Everything.
Everything pretty much. So it's my first time feeding the chicken, which I'm very excited about. So the chooks are just going here. Should I put some more water in? Yeah? Oh, look at those ones. There's so many. I found a bunch. Just down here. Jesus. It's a lot of eggs.
Don't put them with that. Yeah.
No, but it's so warm. Must have just been sitting on it.
Yeah. And when you don't find these, surprise, you get 20 chickens.
20
all
more.
at once.
So we didn't already have enough.
And then you have to build hundreds of houses.
Now, the piggies. Where are they? There you are.
Out of the way. Look. Out of the way. Come here. And come here. Yep, just tip it. Just tip it.
Okay, yeah, I tried. There we go. Hey boy. Oh, look at him. So it's the next morning now, and I completely forgot to end the video yesterday. We didn't really do much more. We literally just had dinner and then we watched some Top Gear. I think we fell asleep at like 10, and then it's the next morning now. Again, I'm up since 6:30 as usual. I kind of have to get used to this new life of waking up early, which is really not me, but it's actually quite nice to be up early. I've already done so much today. I filmed a video, got ready, had breakfast, been outside, and it's only like 10:30 now. It's amazing. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video here now because I also need to do some editing. I have like 3 videos ready that need to be edited and uploaded so you can actually watch them as well. But yeah, otherwise I hope you have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more travel content. As I said yesterday, we are planning a big trip as well. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!